Today, Indiana health officials announced the first confirmed case of multi-system inflammatory syndrome. It's a condition that has been linked to COVID-19 that impacts children and younger adults.
Demetrius Sanders is live in our newsroom. He joins us now with what officials say they know about this condition. Demetrius.
Mike Sadie, State Health Commissioner Dr. Christina Bach says while it is rare, multi-symptom inflammatory syndrome is a condition that can lead to serious health consequences. Multi-system inflammatory syndrome, or MIS-C, is a condition similar to Kawasaki disease that health officials say is starting to appear in parts of the U.S. and globally.
This is something we're starting to see around the world, especially in New York City, which has reported greater than 150 cases.
According to the CDC, there are 3 criteria for the illness. These include a person under the age of 21 with fever and laboratory evidence of inflammation that requires hospitalization. There must be no other plausible diagnosis, and a person must be positive for COVID-19 or been exposed to COVID-19 in the 4 weeks prior to symptoms beginning to show. On Monday, Indiana reported its first case of MIS-C.
We have to remember that there are a large number of children out there that probably have been infected that did not get seriously ill, that this is a smaller percentage.
Bach says parents should monitor their child for persistent fever, and if they do become seriously ill, to contact a pediatrician. Bach also says medical providers across the state have been given new guidance on MIS-C.
We've asked hospitals to report suspected cases to us as we can investigate and learn more about COVID-19 and how that may be impacting our younger people.
And on Monday, Bach also discussed if the presence of the condition will impact decisions on school in the fall.
We will be working with the Department of Education this week specifically on their goals and desires as far as opening schools back up, and making sure that health has input into that.
Now, Bach did not reveal where the confirmed case was located due to privacy, and the CDC also says at this time it is unknown if the condition impacts adults. Mike.